I'm trying to think, and I'm positive that this is one of the most exciting videos that I've posted. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle. And today I have a secret that I have been dying to share. Today is the day that I finally get to share with you something that I've longed for, wished for, begged for, that is finally coming to pass. I know that I look like a hot mess express right now, but there's good reason for that because I am about to shower and I'm about to take you guys along on one of the best wash days that you've ever seen from me. Really quickly, if you are not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to turn on the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos. As you know, if you've been following me for any length of time, I have a special place in my heart for the LUS brand, the Love Your Curls brand, the LUS brand, however you want to say it. And if you watched my best hair products of 2021, you would have seen quite a few of their products in that video because so many of their products are my holy grails. But there was one thing that was missing. One thing that I literally prayed, begged, wished for, and that was for them to please make a gel product. But I understand there's a lot of people who hate gel products for good reason, because a lot of times they can be very sticky, they can be hard to apply if they're very thick. It's a whole thing, right? Gels can be a little tricky to use, but the LUS brand, they have outdone themselves. Let me show you the brand new product that they are just releasing that you're gonna need to get your hands on like ASAP. First, I'll quickly show you what the Love Your Curls brand is known for, and that is their 3-step simplified system, their sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo, their silicone-free conditioner, and then their all-in-one styler. This, I use the curly one. They have one for wavy, curly, or kinky coily hair. Now they have taken my routine to the next level with this product. Y'all, this product is like, it's a revolutionary product in my opinion, okay? This is the Irish Sea Moss Gel. This is what we like to call the anti-gel. One of the most common complaints about using a gel product is that it can be very drying on the hair. You are not gonna find that with this product. This is definitely by far the most hydrating gel that I've ever used on my hair. And that is because it has so many hydrating ingredients in it. It has Irish sea moss, acai, aloe vera, passion fruit oil, and rice bran oil. But my favorite part is that these ingredients are gonna help repair your hair as well. You're not gonna have that drying and flaking effect from this kind of gel, okay? It's so different. It's just different. So I'm gonna stop talking because clearly you understand how much I love this product. And we're gonna get right on into my wash day because y'all, it's time.
You know, it's funny, one of the things that I said I was going to do away with was bringing you guys into the shower with me, but here we are. Starting out this wash day routine, of course, I'm going in with the LUS brand shampoo. It's a very moisturizing shampoo. It suds up so well on the hair. I always use a shampoo brush to really get in there and exfoliate the scalp. Rinse that all out, then going in with the conditioner. Again, one of my favorite conditioners. These are probably my most used cleanser and conditioner pair. I'm just going to say that right there. And I use a lot of different brands and hair products. Then I'm just detangling my hair. I love the LUS brand deep conditioner, but even their regular conditioner will get out every single tangle, I promise you.
Okay, hair is cleansed and now it is time to get to styling. First, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of water. Look at this cute little bottle. I love this. This is a continuous mist water bottle from Love Your Curls. Using their brush, I'm just gonna detangle the hair. I like to have enough water in my hair when I am applying my styling products. Not soaking wet, but I definitely don't like for it to be partly dry. My all-in-one cream product from Love Your Curls. This is the curly one. I just use about that much per side. So I just kind of rake that through, smooth it, and scrunch it A little bit more to this side. Try not to add too much product to my root area because I don't want anything to weigh down my roots. I just kind of use whatever's left over to just kind of graze over it. But I basically kind of apply my products from like here down. Now for the star of the show. Okay, going in with the Irish Sea Moss gel. Let me just show you. It's a pretty thick consistency, but it doesn't feel thick on the hair at all, like at all. It definitely doesn't feel thick in the hands either. It feels like it's thick when it comes out. I don't know. It's like, it's just a different feeling gel. And then I'm just gonna go through and do the same exact thing, rake it through. I don't do this every single time, but if you are wanting like extra extreme definition, use this brush right here and you can take little pieces of your hair and wherever you need that extra definition, you could just kind of go through. I like to do it kind of around my hairline so that I get that nice definition. Just kind of let that just fall. A few little areas where my curls like to lose their shape. Don't ask me why. So I just like to make sure to give it a little extra attention. And I even like to do kind of where my, what is this called? The crown of your head. I like to do it right here just to give some extra lift. So I get in there and just whoop, just like that. Let it fall. No routine is complete without scrunching with a t-shirt towel. So I have to do that to give my hair the ultimate definition. And this just will soak up any extra water, help your hair to dry quicker, and just, oh, I just love it. I mean, look at the shine of my curls already. I'm telling you, this gel is like, it's on another level. Last but not least, I'm gonna go diffuse my hair. I don't ever not diffuse, so I'm gonna go do that really quickly and maybe even put on a little makeup for you, and I'll be right back. Okay, folks, you are looking at the real results, fresh results, literally just finished drying my hair results from using this gel. I'm telling you, it is like a dream come true times 10. This may end up being the only gel that I use for the rest of my life. I'm just saying, I don't even get a cast with this. Like, my hair does not feel hard. It doesn't feel crunchy. It doesn't feel flaky. It doesn't feel dry. I get so much volume with using the whole system, but this gel just like, it takes it to another level. The definition, the shine, I don't know what the magic is in here, but it almost plumps my curls. Like my curls look like, are you kidding me right now? The most incredible results that I could ask for. My hair feels so light and airy and bouncy. The best part of all, my curls last for days on end. And it's almost like my hair gets bigger, more voluminous, but not frizzy even as the days go on. I mean, I don't know. There is some sort of magical component in this gel is all I'm saying. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to check the description box. I'll have everything in there about this new gel and the LUS brand. This gel was the perfect start to my curls for 2022. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.